Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you're watching the Week Ahead Show. Let us talk about the first week of July. So, a new month and a new series. So, what can we expect from the markets this week? So first, let us look at what happened in the markets previous week. Some major movement. So, markets on a close-to-close basis, Nifty is slightly up. It is up by close to 3 points, is 52 points is what we see. So it is up by 0.34 percentage. Then coming to Bank Nifty, it is slightly down. It is down by 0.26 percentage, or by 88 points. And so Nifty had ended in 15,752 and Bank Nifty ended at 33,539. So those are the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty last week. And important announcements, we have had the US GDP data coming in at again negative 1.6 percentage. So US markets did not react that much. It was slightly down for 2 days, but then it recovered as well on Friday. And then we obviously had on Friday the major news where the government has imposed windfall taxes on oil exploration and distribution companies, and that has caused Reliance to fall close to 7 percentage, and then the markets had also fallen, but it recovered later. But Reliance did not recover much. Apart from that, we also had the auto sales data coming in. So it's slightly better than expected, so nothing major over there. And also the PMI has come, manufacturing PMI. It is at 53.9, which is again the lowest in the last 9 months. So these are the data that we have. So coming to the charts, let us look at SGX Nifty, where it has closed. SGX Nifty has closed at 15,844, which is almost 100 points up from where the markets have ended here. Coming to US markets have also closed in the green finally on Wednesday. It is S&P 500 and Dow are both up by 1.05 percentage, and Nasdaq is up by 0.71 percentage. So US markets have ended all in the green. That is good to see, and that is why SGX Nifty is indicating a gap up on Monday. So US markets will be closed on Monday, so that is something to keep in mind. It's the Independence Day over there, 4th of July. So the US markets will be open on Tuesday, and the effects of which will be felt in the markets only on Wednesday in Indian markets. Talking about OI in Nifty and Bank Nifty has the highest OI build-up at 33,000 on the lower side, and on the higher side 34,000. So 33 to 34,000 is what the markets are expecting. And in Nifty, the highest call build-up is at far away at 16,500, and the lowest is at 15,500. So these are the levels people are expecting for the next expiry, that is the 7th of July, that is the next Thursday. And talking about other things, we have some events lined up as well. So what are the events? First, Wednesday we have the FOMC minutes of the FOMC minutes, that is to be watched out at 11:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So on Thursday we will get to see what the effect it has on our markets, and then again nothing major. Then on Friday we have a data that is on Friday we are having the US unemployment data that is coming at 6 p.m. again post market hours, so that will be felt in Indian markets only on the next day. So 6 p.m. US unemployment rate for the month of June, and on Saturday we are having the Chinese inflation data coming in. So these are the data to be coming out next week, and along with that the IT index will be in focus on Tuesday, on Friday, because TCS is coming up with its first quarter results. So it is the first company which is coming out with its results. That will be announced on Friday. So keep an eye out for the IT index, because IT index on a weekly basis it is up 1 percentage, but it had a continuous downtrend for the last many weeks. As you can see, it has been falling off continuously. So last week it ended 1 percentage in the green, but let us see what happens in as the TCS comes out with its result this week. And the other companies will be coming out with their results in the 2nd and 3rd week of July. So only TCS is coming up with their quarterly results this week. Talking about levels for Nifty, we have seen the importance of 15,672. So that remains as a strong level of support, and from now you can watch out this weekly high of Nifty, that is last Monday's high of 15,930. If that is broken on the upside, you can expect a positive momentum, and on the downside 15,670 still remains as a strong support. Bank Nifty 34,000 on the upside and 33,000 on the downside are to be looked at. Along with that, you can definitely look out for the weekly high and low for the last week, and you can definitely If the either of the range is broken, you can expect movement on the either side. So you can trade with a small stop loss over there. So that is the results and the levels that you can watch out for. And we have also talked about the important events, the why did everything. The dollar index is stable at 105. USD INR has it has let's look at the daily chart and see it is at 78.9, so it is consolidating at the upper levels is what we see. Crude oil prices it is at 108, so nothing major happening in crude oil as well, so everything looks quite stable. The markets are indicating a gap up. Let us see what happens tomorrow with the Asian markets, and definitely if they open with the green, Nifty can open with another gap up, and let's hope the bulls are in control for the last week as we have seen. Let's see if they can continue their positive momentum and take the markets higher, and definitely there's a gap to be filled in Nifty. So if I show you the gap that is there in Nifty on a daily channel, you can see that let me zoom in a bit, and so you can see this gap that the market has created when it was falling. So this gap remains to be filled when the markets goes up, so definitely market will be filling this gap sooner or later, so you can keep a eye out for this level as well. So as soon as market breaks 16,000, you can go up and fill this gap till 16,000 and 180 is where we see the gap being filled. So definitely look out for these levels as well. So until then, have a happy week ahead, and hope you trade well. So with that, I'll be closing my week ahead show right now. Let's join again for tomorrow morning's pre-market show, where we discuss the levels for Nifty and how the Asian markets have been trading. So with that, wish you a very good night, and thank you for watching.